Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain to you how to download the background removal plugin and how to plug in the background removal plugin with your OBS Studio. This video is very important. Watch this video up to end. Come to the laptop and open the OBS Studio application and then click on the video capture device, right click on it and then click on the filter option and then click on the plus button, and you can see here there is no background removal option is available here. You can see here. So first of all, cancel this one, and first of all to download the background removal plugin from the official website and then plug in this one with the OBS Studio. Come to the laptop again and open the Google Chrome and type the OBS background removal plugin. Type this one and click on it, and then click on the first link, background removal virtual green screen. Click on it, and this is the main page of the OBS Studio, and this is the background removal virtual green screen and low light enhance, and then click on the go to the download button. Click on it and then scroll down again and click on this one link for the window, the size of 72.7 MB. Click on the zip file link, click on it, and this is the download path and this is the size of your software, and then click on the download option, download button. You can see here the download will start here. It depends upon your internet speed, and you can see here the download has been completed, and finally click on the folder option, click on it, and you can see here this is the OBS background removal zip file. This is the background zip file, and how to unzip the zip file. Right click on it and then go to the WinRAR option and then click on the extract to this one option. The zip file will extract here. You can see here, click on it, and I want to plug in the above folder, and this is the installation method, how to install the plugin. Open this one. You can see here how to install the OBS background removal plugin on the window. Copy the OBS background removal, this one folder, copy this one folder and paste the folder, the above folder, and the below directory. You can see here the plugin directory, this one. The default path is c/program data /obs-studio/plugins, this one. How to now I want to apply. I want to practically apply these steps. How to apply these steps? So minimize this one and also minimize this window and go to the C folder where is your OBS Studio and has been installed, and click on the program file. You can see here, and this is the program file, but I want to go to program data file. You can see here the OBS Studio folder is available, but not this is the path. Which one path is? You can see here the C, then go to the program data. But in the above path, the C and the program file, this is not a path. Copy this one, program data. You can see here, this is the main path. Click on the above path button and then type the person option and then program data and then end with the person. You can see here the path has been changed. Then click on the OBS Studio. You can see here this is the main tips. You should be apply this one tips. Then click on the OBS Studio, open this one, and then you can see here make a folder is a plugin and then copy OBS background removal folder in the plugin folder. First of all, I will create the folder with the name of plugin. You can see here this one, plugin, and then open this one folder and then copy, paste the above the OBS background removal. Then press the Ctrl C to copy this one folder and then go to the plugin folder. You can see here and then type the press the Ctrl V and paste here the OBS background folder. And you can see here for the checking, you can check the bin folder and data folder. So this is the fourth. And now come to the OBS and check the background removal option. Open the OBS Studio again and then click on right click on the video capture device option and then go to the filter option and then click on the plus button. And you can see here the background removal option is available here by plugging the background removal plugin option and click on it and then type the name of the background removal and then click on the OK button, and you can see here the background has been removed. And for the eye icon, to hide and unhide the removal option by the eye icon, and click on the advanced option. You can see here, check this one, and you can change the threshold option, and you can change the counter filter, and you can change the smooth cell hotty, and you can change the feather option also. You can see here the feather option is also available, and you can also change the mouse expansion option, and you can set your background and your foreground by these all options. To increase and decrease the option which are given here, your background and foreground will clear and clear more and more. And you can also minimize and maximize, and you can also transfer your background picture from one place to another place. Where you want to place it, you can place it easily. Now come to the recording. For the recording, click on the recording, start recording option. The recording will start here. How to appear your face, your foreground picture. Your foreground picture will place and will appear in the down right corner. You can see here, stop the recording. For the checking, go to the file option and go to the show recording option. And this is above is your recording of your video. Open this one. Where is your foreground picture? Where is your foreground? You can see here your foreground picture, your foreground video picture in the down right corner. Down right corner. You can see here. So in short, you can place and set your background picture anywhere on your laptop screen in the OBS Studio. If you have any question about this video, write your question in the comments box. Thanks for watching.